Hi everyone, my name is Claudia and I'm the program manager here at BlueStamp. I help run our programs and I also get to research projects and curriculum for BlueStamp students. I did my undergraduate degree at MIT where I double majored in both mechanical engineering and education technology. After I worked in industry for a couple of years, I started working at BlueStamp because I love building projects and spreading the joy of hands-on engineering. The reason why I'm so excited about BlueStamp is that I actually had a similar experience in my high school experience where I went to an engineering camp, and that's what really sparked my interest and led me to where I am today. And interestingly enough, one of my best friends that I met in college is a BlueStamp alum. BlueStamp excites me because it gives students the tools and resources to learn engineering and design fundamentals, and it gives students the opportunity to explore these topics in a way that often isn't possible in the traditional classroom before college. And because our project book is sorted by experience level, students with all levels of experience can build a project that is meaningful to them. The most unique part about BlueStamp is just how many different projects there are to choose from. Some of our most popular projects from the past that you could build this summer include a smart robot, an Internet of Things mirror, and a facial recognition lockbox enabled by computer vision. A new project this year that I'm really excited about is building an infinite adventure game with OpenAI's ChatGPT API. If you're interested in getting involved with BlueStamp this summer, submit your application on our website, and I'm really excited by the prospect of getting to build together.